Good morning, students. Student tenses we have completed, and in tenses we have seen that the subject is active in tenses. For example, he is repairing the car, they are cleaning the houses. These are active voice, and active voice subject is active. But today we will do passive voice. So before that we have to come to know what is voice. So voice is a quality of the verb, or it tells whether the subject of the sentence performs or receives the action. We can say form of the verbs tells us that the subject does something or something is done to the subject. There are two voice, active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject is active, and in passive voice, subject is not active. Active voice, what is active voice? A verb is said to be in the active voice when the subject performs the action. We can say when subject does something. Like Rohan sings a song. Here Rohan is important because Rohan is subject here. In active voice, we can say importance given to subject. In passive voice, a verb is said to be in passive voice when the subject of the verb is acted upon or receives the action. We can say subject is not active in passive voice and importance is given to object. Example, a song is sung by Rohan. Here a song is important, not Rohan. So importance is given to passive voice, importance is given to object, and sentence starts with object in passive voice. Next point is there, a verb without object means a verb without object. Intransitive verb we can see. Intransitive verb cannot be changed into passive form. Only transitive verbs are changed into passive form. Now question is there, what is transitive verb or what is intransitive verb? Transitive verb, a verb with object. She plays football. So plays is here transitive verb because plays has object with it. And intransitive verb does not have object with it. She plays here intransitive because there is no object. So only transitive verbs are can change into passive form. Next is there कि why and when to use passive structure. Why we have to use passive form? When we do not know the subject and it is not necessary to tell ki who did the work, then we use passive form. For example, this mosque was built years ago. Years ago, this mosque was built. This mosque was built. But we no need to know about that ki who built this. The mirror was broken yesterday. But here we no need to know about the subject, about the doer, ki who did this work, who broke the window. Only object is important here, ki mirror was broken. So clear this point, ki in passive voice, importance is given only to object, not to subject. Just next is here, ki the white tiger was killed. Only we have to know about the white tiger, ki white tiger was killed. Who killed? No need. Next point is here. For scientific and technical writing, passive form is used. As subject is not important there. Only invention is important there. Now one example is here. Hydrochloric acid is produced when hydrogen and chlorine are mixed. Here, object is important. There is no importance to subject. Now our next point is how to change active voice into passive voice. There are some steps to change active voice into passive voice. First is there when a verb is changed from active voice into passive voice, the object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive verb. One example is here. I write a letter. This is the active voice. I subject, a letter object, and first verb is used here because as this is the present indefinite tense. So a letter has become here subject. I is object here by object of by preposition. And this I told you ki always verb third is used into passive form, but helping verb be used according to tense. Now here is you can see I write a letter. A letter is written by me. So verb third we use. Now matter in all the passive we use verb third. Now changing we have to learn this helping verb. In different tenses we have to use different helping verb, and that is from the chart you have learned. You can learn from that chart ki which verb which take which helping verb. So this clear. Now there is some changing of some pronouns, just like I, we. I is changed into me, we change into us, and you is changed to you. Now these pronouns, these are used as a subject and these are used as object. Here are some examples I have given you. You can read this. For example, he is flying a kite. A kite is subject here. Here object, but here is this is subject in passive voice. This is the active voice, this is a passive voice. A kite is being flown by me. So a kite, this the object has become the subject here, and is being, ing verbs take is being because ing is here with be and verb third is used. So is flying has been changed in is being flown by him. He is from here. This is now he was subject here, but here it is object of preposition by. So these are some examples. We help them. They are helped by us. Clear this? And next point is here कि in passive voice always verb third यानी कि past participle. What is verb third is called? Past participle is called. So I told you this before कि only verb third is used in the passive form. And there are some examples. He does not love me. I am not loved by her. So he played football. Football was played by him. I am helping the student. The students are being helped because ing verbs takes is am are also or being also, and then verb third. I am helping the students. The students are being helped by me. So in all these sentences we have used verb third. Now next point is there. Tenses of the verb is not changed. Only its form is changed. And by is used with the agent of the action when it has to complete the sentence. If our sentence is complete without subject, there is no need to use subject. And some indefinite and vague subject we dropped, such like someone, somebody, everybody, they, people. These kind of subjects are dropped. And this I told you that generally transitive verbs are changed into passive form, but sometimes it's like that. Sleep, sit, stands, go, come, laugh. These are intransitive verbs. These are not changed into passive form. But sometimes when these intransitive verbs have preposition with it, then these can be changed into passive voice. One I tell you here, they laughed. There is no passive. But this, they laughed at the teacher. So here preposition has been used here. So we can change this into passive form. Like this, the teacher was laughed at by them. So in this way we can the passive voice. Now next is there. Only 8 tenses out of 12 are changed into passive form. There are 12 tenses, but only 8 we change into passive form. Future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous. 3 of perfect continuous and future continuous tense are not changed into passive form. Only 8 tenses can be changed into passive form. And this is the chart, changing of verb here. Just like do, does, verb first plus ses. These are changed into is, mr plus verb first plus verb third. Just like tenses also I have written here. In simple present tense, we use helping verb do, does to make question or negative, and we use verb first and verb first plus ses. So when our active voice in these verbs, in passive voice we use is, mr helping verb plus verb third. So in the past simple we use did and verb second. So these both are changed into was verb plus verb third. Like present continuous tense, we use is, mr plus verb first plus ing. So we use is being, am being, are being plus verb third. So these 8 tenses verb chart I have prepared for you. You can learn this from here. And next is some examples I have given you here. This is the here are some modal verb. Modal verb, how to change? Modal verb, take be with it. Modal verb always take verb first with it, but when we change active voice into passive form, then modal verb take be with it. Just like can be plus verb third, will be plus verb third. Here we take verb first in active voice, but in passive voice we use be with it with modal verb and then take verb third. So now according to tenses, I will explain some examples. Here present indefinite tense we have explained. This is the active. She respect us. Us is changed into we. We are respected by her. Her is here. She has been changed into her. Though this I told you ki verb third we use in all the passive form and helping verb. Here is this respects present form and are is also present form. So tense is not changed, only form is changed. So this in chart I tell you ki verb first plus SES take is MR plus verb third. So we have written this here, and here is MR what is used. This is depend on our this object. This object has become the subject here. Now according to this we will take. If this is singular, our subject is singular, then we will take singular verb. If it is plural, then we will take plural verb. So these are some examples of the present indefinite tense, but one is here particular when we use WH family word to make questions. Like for example here, ki what do you want? So this WH family word has become the object here. What do you want? What is wanted by you? One is more there. Why do you tell a lie? Why is a lie told by you? But same word we have used here. Then we have taken helping word. Now next is there who kills the snake. Beta one is here ki who is changed into by whom. Who is changed into by whom. Who kills the snake? By whom are the snakes killed? Whom is changed into who. Example, whom do you see? Who is seen by you. And there are some more examples. You can read out from here. And now your present indefinite tense complete. I have told you how to change active voice into passive voice, and now you have to do this in your field register. And if you have any query, you can call on my personal number.